Hello all, this is the introduction video to our 60 liter UV disinfection box with timer. It is a 21 inches by 18 inches by 14 inches depth box. It is made of MS mild steel powder coated with grey color. It is a heavy body weighing around 12 kgs. This has a lot of safety features. One, it has a acrylic peephole with the help of which you can easily check if the disinfection is going on or not. And the speciality of this peephole is that it is made of a special acrylic that filters the UV radiation. So the whole box is certified to be UV leakage proof. When you open the box, it has an easy handle and you have a safety switch. This is over here. So whenever you open the box, the lights will turn off automatically. There's a magnetic latch to close the box. There are two racks. There are two tubes of 11 watt of Philips branded company, and also the ballast of Philips or Osram put inside. Therefore, the box offers a 360-degree disinfection because the walls are also reflective of the light. I will show you the use of timer now. So here is a timer of branded Multispan. That is a very big company in India and supplies a lot of timers. So it is a good branded timer. We also have an indicator switch. So as soon as you open the box and the door is closed, the timer will be on. You can easily hold on this button and revolve it, or use the screwdriver to revolve this. It's easily can be done by hand also. So these are the minutes that I mentioned over here. You can just set the timer on any minute that you like, and you can just turn on the box and the box will automatically switch off after the set time. And there are two indicator lights on this. This light will turn off when your disinfection time is finished. So I'll show you the demo of the safety features. See, right now the box is on. As soon as I open the box, the light is off. So there is no risk of radiation. I can close the box again and the timer will start again. So now don't need to switch on and off again. Just close the box. Timer is started. This box is completely made in India, and we offer 1 year warranty on all the parts of the box. The box is certified from a NABL accredited lab. Here is the copy of the certificate. You can kill COVID-19 within 20 seconds in the box and all the germs within 7 minutes. We use Philips tubes that has a life of 9,000 burning hours. Philips are the world leaders in manufacturing of UVC tubes. Their tubes have been used for disinfection since 35 years, and they use the most advanced technology. Their tubes have been certified by all the top regulating bodies of the world, and recently Boston University has also verified that Philips tubes kill COVID-19. Here is the official press release by Philips confirming this. UVC tubes is been used since 100 years now, and it has been proven that germicidal UVC tubes kill all kind of microorganisms by rupturing their DNA and thus making sure they do not replicate. We use the top quality testing equipment and meters to test the quality of the box, and also ensures that there is no leakage of UV radiation from the box. Another common FAQ with the UVC box is what kind of object can be sanitized and what cannot be sanitized. You can disinfect any kind of item in this. All your food items, fresh fruits, vegetables, cooked food, uncooked food, raw food, कोई भी type of surface like आपका jewelry, sensitive electronics, आपका purses, wallets, any type of जो भी आपका soft furnishing है, कोई आपका लग्जरी क्लोथिंग है, आप हर चीज़ को इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं डिसइंफेक्ट करने के लिए. किसी भी चीज़ को ये स्पॉइल नहीं करता. But be careful, you cannot disinfect any living organism, any living being, for example, like your pets, you cannot disinfect because UVC light is harmful for any living being. So be careful of that. And it also goes without saying, don't also try to disinfect any of your body parts. UV disinfection is the most economical disinfection system. It involves least effort and it is the safest and most eco-friendly form of disinfection as no harmful chemicals or disinfectants are used to sanitize in this system. UV rays are harmful for human skin and eyes or any living organism. So please be careful that you don't accidentally expose yourself to UV lights. That's why we have put a safety feature in the box also, that if you accidentally open the box with the switch on, the lights will turn off. So still be careful to avoid UV exposure. You can shop the box online on our website or contact us for any bulk inquiries. Thank you.